Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So sometimes when you are using Chrome, an error card which is saying DNS probe finish NX domain. So how to solve this error? We will go to the control panel and we will do some settings in the network and sharing center. And now on the control panel we will click on network and sharing center. After that we will click on the change adapter settings. Now we have to click to the Wi-Fi. Now we have to go to the properties. And now we have to click to Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Now we have to change the preferred DNS server and also alternate DNS server. We have to click on the one, one, and one. Now we have to click on this 1, 0, 0, and 1. We have to click now on the OK and close. We have to also close this, and now we will refresh this. Now as you can see, the error has been solved. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Please subscribe. Bye.